how to add tags to your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to add tags to your videos so that you can start showing up in search and getting more views. Let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need is a video uploaded to your YouTube channel. And then we're going to head into YouTube Studio, open up that video that we're going to add the tags to. And then I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to add the tags on that video so that it can start showing up in search for those specific terms. So let's jump onto the laptop and we're going to head inside of YouTube Studio. Then we're going to head over to content and we're going to head into the video that we have just uploaded. We're going to click on that pencil icon to edit the video. And then I want you to scroll down below the description, below your thumbnails, below your playlists, and head down to your tags. Now this is exactly where you're going to add tags into your video. The first thing that I like to do is to take the title of my video and have that as my first tag. So we head up to the title and we're going to copy the title, and hit Command C on the Mac, Control C on Windows, and we're going to paste it in there. And that's going to give us the first tag for our video. Now we allowed 500 characters to add tags to a video. So I want you to start thinking about other tags that you can add that are very similar to the title of your video, that you want your video to show up for those specific search queries. The second and third tag I like to do as a shorter but more broader topic. So the first one is going to be keyword research on YouTube. Then we're going to use keyword research. And now we have two broad keywords. Now I want to go into longer tail keywords that are more specific to reduce the competition for those tags, to give you a better chance to rank higher for that search query and start getting more views on your video. So the one we're going to use is how to do keyword research on YouTube in 2021. So that's a longer tail, more specific keyword. Next, we're going to head down and we're going to have a look at the recommended tags within TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is an amazing keyword research tool. If you want to find out more about TubeBuddy and how you can get access to the free version of it, watch our video here where we show you exactly how to use TubeBuddy to rank for specific search queries on YouTube. TubeBuddy will allow you to sort tags by relevance, by keyword score, and by search traffic. I like to go by keyword score once we've got a few of our main tags added on our video. And they're going to give us suggestions for tags that we would like to do. So there's best free keyword research tool for SEO. I like that. So then I like to go back to relevance. So it's going to be more relevant for the video that we are creating. And you can always go refresh scores once you've added more tags. So you can see we've used 281 out of the 500 characters. So now we want to start using synonyms for the keywords that we've currently got in our tags so that people that are searching using different words or using different language can still find our video. Another way of saying keyword research is SEO. So we're going to do SEO on YouTube 2021. SEO for YouTube videos. There's a good one there. So we can look at the suggestions that we get given. How to do SEO on a YouTube video. That's a cool one. And then step by step YouTube SEO for beginners. So as we get to the end of adding our tags, you can see we're going to go to more specific, longer tail keywords that are similar to the topic that our video is all about. This is really important to allow YouTube to see exactly what your video is about and who they should show your video to in order for you to find a new audience to watch your video and enjoy your video, and for you to add value to this new audience. We're going to get as close as we can to the 500 characters mark. So we got 494 out of 500. And once we've finished adding tags, we're going to head up to the top right and click on that save button. If you run out of ideas to get tags, all I want you to do is to open up a new tab, go into YouTube and use YouTube Auto Suggest to get new ideas for your video. So what I like to do is type in our title. And then what I like to do is hit a spacebar after you've finished typing in your title and see what comes up. And then head down and see what the top video is ranking for the search query. What kind of words are they using? What kind of tags are they using in their videos? So there's best free keyword research tool for YouTube. There's get more views in 2021, how to do keyword research for YouTube videos, and how to use keywords on YouTube. So there's a few suggestions and ideas to add new tags. Another great way is to use the TubeBuddy tool that we explained to you earlier, and you can head down to their most used tags and you can see there's YouTube keyword research, YouTube SEO, which is that synonym that we found, YouTube keyword research tool, and all you need to do is decide on the ones that you want to add to your video, select them, and you can copy them to your clipboard and paste them into the tags for that specific video. If you liked this video and it helped you, make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.